Imagine a world where you no longer needed to go out to the field to give yourself a starting point for creating a schematic or trying to figure out how assets connect in your system. A world where you don't need to struggle anymore on sending system revisions back and forth over emails between your field staff and the drafters. Imagine a world where you're able to visualize all your assets on a Google map, overlaid onto satellite imagery, showing you how your assets are connected from wellhead to sales, and then being able to dive further down into a measurement schematic. All of this through the cloud using a desktop, laptop, or mobile device. Imagine a world where we make it easy for you to build your drawings and make it even easier to make updates. Imagine looking at a PDF drawing and all the shapes in that drawing are saved as data sets, allowing you to compare this data to other internal and available public data sets, focusing only on the anomalies and allowing for quick and easy management of change process. ProMonitor Schematics is quick and cost-effective to implement, being the leading industry standard in measurement schematics. And this software makes it much easier to track and report on allocations over multiple lease locations. ProMonitor is a web-based, fully hosted platform that you can access on any web browser. The same access portal is used for all different ProMonitor subscribers, including Schematics, Integrity, Scheduler, Vessel Management, and ProMonitor Live. So how do we make it that easy to create your draft schematic? To start, we load all the private and public data for wells, pipelines, and facilities that you either operate or license into the ProMonitor GIS platform, allowing you to visualize all your assets on a Google map. ProMonitor receives constant public data updates and refreshes the dataset every 2 weeks. This allows for assets acquired or divested, attribute changes on wells and facilities, such as status changes, to be automatically captured and updated. Using data analytics and internal measurement knowledge, we connect all your assets from wellhead to sales, giving us the physical flow for the schematic. If you're a subscriber to ProMonitor Integrity, you're able to leverage from this connectivity or vice versa. We then add all the necessary measurement points: storage tanks and vessels, fuel, flare, and vent takeoff points, facility delineation, production and processing equipment, piping, transportation, and any other necessary information as outlined by the regulators to this schematic. If you're a subscriber to ProTrend, the industry standard in fluid composition management, we will add all the validated sample points to the schematic, along with any ProChart or ProMonitor Live connected meters you might have as well. Each shape you see on the schematic has a myriad of data behind it, and it is saved as data sets. Our unique tools and algorithms then run quality checks on the data accuracy, leaving notes on the drawings to be verified. All the first draft schematics will then be housed in ProMonitor, where your team can then validate the drawings. So what does this schematic product look like? Our central repository version control and workflow process ensure that all stakeholders inside your organization are only dealing with the approved drawings and the latest versions. ProMonitor subscriptions come with unlimited users, and each user can be configured to allow for different levels of access. Users can access drawings at any given time through the cloud using a desktop, laptop, or mobile device. Every drawing goes through a gated review process and has an audit trail for every version of the drawing from start to finish. ProMonitor provides multiple options for reviewing drawings, making the redline process easy and comfortable for your team. Over the years, we've been really fortunate to work with some of the best measurement people in the industry who have helped us enhance our processes and our product. All our templates, stencils, and processes were designed with these regulations in mind. By subscribing to ProMonitor Schematics, not only will you meet local regulatory requirements, but you can run asset inventory reports and cross-reference with your production accounting and field data capture systems. And our schematic software can support allocations requirements by tracking and reporting on all production all the way back to the well site. ProMonitor has extensive reporting that users can run anytime, giving your team peace of mind in the event of an audit. So now that the schematics are completed, how does the management of change process work? Keeping measurement schematics up to date can seem like a never-ending task. While with ProMonitor Schematics, we take care of it for you. Using ProMonitor Schematics Drawing Schedule tool, we cross-reference all your data to other internal and available public data sets and let you know where mismatches or possible updates are needed. ProMonitor sends out monthly MOC reports to be verified by your team, making the management of change process easy and keeping drawings up to date. The pricing model for ProMonitor Schematics is simple. We are not a drafting shop, and we don't believe in that pricing model either. Implementation fees are a flat fee based on the complexity of your facilities, along with a monthly subscription based on the number of facilities in the schematics, so no hourly billing. To learn more or for a free quote of ProMonitor Schematics, please give us a call or drop us a line at sales@criticalcontrol.com.